Alright, hello everybody, welcome. This is the unboxing of the Asus ROG RTX 2080. I got it a couple days ago, but I haven't opened the box yet because I've been a little busy doing other things. So, we're going to do that right now. And I'm sitting on the floor because I'm using my mic that I use for recording my other videos, just so it gives a bit of a better audio quality than last time. Hopefully the audio sounds better. Hopefully I am recording, right? Yeah. Okay, just making sure. Don't want to go through most of this video and realize I'm not recording and then have to use my phone audio. That's a bit strange. Ooh, got some bubble there. Oh, it's a poppable kind. It's probably overly loud, I would say. Got some of these fancy bubble wraps, the big ones. Those ones are fun to pop with other people around and scare them. Those are good ones for that. I'm just gonna move this box out of the way here. Alright, there it is, the ROG Strix Gaming Graphics Card. This is the overclock edition. And I got a pretty good deal, and that's why I bought it. Instead of the Super. I mean, the Super is a same price normally, but this one was quite a bit cheaper. Alright, never cut towards yourselves. I think I said that in the last one. Look at that, it says Strix right there. Ooh. The audio sound is distance because I'm looking at the camera to make sure I'm putting everything in the frame. Let me slide it over here. Get a nice side shot of it. Oh, I ripped the box, no. Here we go. Now it's coming out. There's another box. I'm gonna set it down, make sure it's in frame, and open it up. Alright, so what is this? I know you can't see what I'm opening, but it's that. Other side of the room. Okay, so you get the disc for, I don't know what the disc really does, to be honest with you. And it looks like some setup instructions. But I mean, I already know how to do this. But if you don't, it's there. I think this might actually be the video version of this. But I don't even have anywhere to play that. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna set my knife down so I don't actually cut myself. I don't know, take this out of here. And this is a massive card. Oh crap. And for some reference, I'll grab a ruler. Okay, so I found a ruler. And I still haven't taken it out of the plastic. But it is 2 1/4 inches. Let me put that in frame. Focus. Oh, there we go. 2 1/4 inches. That is like twice the thickness of my 1070 there. Here's here's the reveal of what it looks like. That's probably very loud, but I'll quiet it down. There it is, the insanely massive ROG Strix 2080. Is that a metal back? That feels... No, that feels like plastic. I'm not gonna... Okay, I'll take it off. I'm not sure if my mic will pick up, or I'll have to use phone audio for that one. Oh, but actually, you know, sounds like plastic when you hit it, but it kind of feels metal. I think it's plastic. Put it up to the mic so that you hear it better. But yeah, there it is. The, like I said, really insanely massive. This thing is 300 millimeters long, so 30 centimeters. How long is that in inches? I don't know. I'm Canadian. I used inches for the first one because it made sense. 11.5 inches long. You can see that there. I don't know what else to say. I think this is probably the... Actually, we're going to look through the box a bit more. I'm going to put this back into the baggie. Back into the bag. Got the fancy that thing. Oh, you get a nice couple of these little Velcro zip ties. Actually, and they're branded as well. As you can see. Look at that. What else we get? I don't think there's anything else. Nope. Get a nice foam pad, and you get a pretty box. I mean, I don't know what else you'd really need. I'm gonna put this actually back in the box. I think it was gonna be a little bit before I actually put this in my computer. Good thing I unbox things and not rebox things, because I'm not good at reboxing things. But yeah, I think that's about it for this unboxing video. So I don't unbox very much, but this is my second one. I hope that the audio quality sounds a lot better than the last one. If you liked it, you know, drop a like, consider subscribing, or maybe watch some other videos. Maybe we'll watch my first unboxing of the Logitech G920 racing wheel.